Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening system settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Let's tap on it. Then we have to find the credential storage and find the option clear credentials. As you can see, unfortunately in my case this option is inactive because I've already removed my credentials. But no worries, all you have to do is to tap on this option and then confirm it with OK, and the result will be actually the same. This option will be inactive in your case also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.